sugar plums, welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, this is the next video for the company name Totally Dazzled. I'm gonna be showing you the final two products that I made with the product that I received from them. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into that tutorial, and I'm gonna be showing you how to make two beautiful candle holders using their products. So we're gonna go ahead and start the tutorial right now, so let's go. Alright guys, so the first one that I'm gonna be doing, I bought two different candle holders. They are the same basically round shape, but this one is very thick and they have like a little thickness to it. So we're gonna be working with this one first, and you're gonna be needing a Mod Podge. I have two different a glitter. One is, this one actually is not really a glitter, it's like a pigment from Eye Candy, and this one I got from Michael, is from the Recollection, I guess, brand, but it's like a champagne gold one, and the other one is like vibrant bronze. So I'm gonna be working with those, and this is the one of the brooch that I'm gonna be working for the first one. And I love this one because you have like a 3D feel to it. It's very thick, and the pearls on it now, they are very big, so I'm gonna be working with this. Also, you have that ribbon that I think I used this for like some DIY before, I can't remember which one, but I also have a strings of iridescent pearl. First thing I'm gonna be doing, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take like a masking tape. I'm gonna kind of separate the middle, the little candle holder in two. I'm gonna apply some Mod Podge into it, and I'm gonna be one part, the top part, I'm gonna be adding the champagne gold glitter on top, and the other bottom part I'm gonna be adding the bronzy pigment color at the bottom part. And I love those colors. They are very, very shiny, guys. I'll leave the link for you in the description box below so you can check them out. Once I'm gonna go ahead and apply that, let them dry for a little bit, shake it off, remove the excess, and then apply Mod Podge at the top. And then I'm gonna leave the Mod Podge sit for about like 10 to 15 minutes, and then once it started getting dry or thick enough a little bit, I'm gonna go with my little brush, again without the Mod Podge on it, just doing like a little tapping motion, because I want this part to have like a texture to it. I don't want it to be like a very smooth glittery surface. I want it to have like a little bit of texture to it. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. Once it's done, I'll be right back to show you what I did next. Okay guys, now once everything is dry, I remove the masking tape. Now I'm gonna go in the middle part, I'm gonna add my ribbon, and this ribbon is perfect for it because you have like a little champagne pinkish and goldish. You have like a lot of different color in it, so I think that was the perfect fit to add in between those two colors and tie them together. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my little ribbon, and then once I'm finished adding my ribbon, I'm gonna go over the top part with the strings of iridescent pearl that I have. I'm gonna do this for the top edge and the bottom edge as well. Once we finish doing that, guys, we're gonna move on to adding more stuff to it. But I wanted to thank you again, guys, for coming back to my channel. Thank you so much for all the love and support that you guys have been showing me. It's amazing, guys. I love reading your comments. And I also love, guys, that you appreciate, the videos that I put out. I'm really, really happy that you like them. And then some of you even say that you tried them. So I'm very, very happy for that. Guys, thank you so much. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified on all my new upload. Like this video, comment, and share. Now, the next thing I'm going to be doing, I'm taking like almost like a lavender ribbon. It's a very soft color, so I'm gonna go ahead and create like a bow. Right now I'm showing you that I'm making sure that my bow, my two little bows are like the same height. So I'm gonna go ahead and do 3 loops on each side to create like a pretty full bow, and then I'm gonna use like a little piece of the gold rose gold bling wrap, and then I'm gonna glue that in the center to create a bow. And then I'm gonna be taking my brooch from Totally Dazzled, and I'm gonna attach it in the middle of the bow. So the reason that I'm attaching that before, because I don't want to remove the pin from it, so I wanted to stay to give me like that full 3D look. So that's why I'm adding the bow, the pin in it, so that way it can be level a little bit more. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue my ribbon in the center of the pink my little bow in the center of the pink ribbon that I added before, and I'm using both E6000 and hot glue to make sure everything stay nice and firm. And then I have those little filigree that I bought from, I believe I got them from Amazon. It was a while ago, guys. I'll try to find them on Amazon and leave the link for you guys. And I'm just gonna go ahead and glue two of them, one at the very top edge of the candle holder, and the other one next to the bowl. And make sure that you also use like something to press them down. Again, guys, I can't stress this enough, hot glue metal, it's gonna be hot. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then for the body of my little butterfly, I'm gonna go ahead and have those little pretty pink flat back gem. I'm gonna use that for the body of the butterfly, and then I'll be using a little round brownish chocolatey brown, almost like a reddish brown gem. I'm gonna use that for the head. And also I have like a little bud from like a flower. I'm gonna use those little bud for the little antenna. Creating a butterfly, making more detail into it, is gonna make your candle holder pop more because you put more detail to it. So that's what we're gonna be doing. So once we finish doing that, I will be adding a little golden chain at the very top, because the lip of the candle holder is very thick, so I didn't want to leave it like this. So I'm gonna be adding a gold chain in at the top, and then another row of the iridescent pearl at the bottom, again next to it, to make like the gold chain sandwich in between those 2 strings of pearls. So once we finish doing that, guys, I'll be right back to show you the finished result for this one, and then we'll move on to the next candle holder. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so moving on to the second vase, I'm gonna be using this beautiful little bowl that I got from I think that was part of the silver pack, and those two little flowery pin also. So I'm gonna be using those three products from Totally Dazzle. I have a little round candle holder, a little bowl, crystal bowl that I got a while ago. So, and also you will be using those crystal stone that I get from like a local craft store, a bling wrap. This time I'm gonna be using the silver one. So what I'm gonna be doing, because I want my this candle holder to have like a bottom to it, so I'm gonna go ahead and flip my little bowl upside down, and I'm gonna glue it with E6000 and hot glue at the bottom of my candle holder to give it a little bit of more height. So this is what it's gonna be looking like. Again, make sure you clean everything before you glue anything to crystal, so that way your stuff will stay glued. So I'm gonna go ahead and I believe there was like a 6 row of bling wrap. So I'm using the silver one from Totally Dazzle too. So I'm gonna glue that in the center, separating my candle holder again in 2 halves. So I'm gonna go ahead, once I finish doing that, now I'm gonna go and use those rocks, those crystal rocks that I got from a local shop, and I'm only using E6000 to glue them because I want to have it almost like clear on the inside. And then once I finish doing that, make sure everything is dry, I'm gonna be using those little flowery filigree again. I got those from Amazon a while ago. Now the first row, I'm gonna be adding 2 rows. The first one, I went and opened it, making it flat. Those are very pliable, guys. You can literally like do anything with them. So I make the first one flat so it can sit flat on the candle holder. I'm gonna glue that all around the very top part, and then I'm gonna go underneath it, in that first row I'm gonna glue another one in between each one, just like so. And I'm not gonna do anything to it, I'm just gonna leave them as is. And then to complete my little flowery part, I'm gonna go ahead and glue a little gold pearl, and those are like a flat back pearl. I'm gonna glue one in each one of the flowers, like so. So, and also I'll be going and add a 2 row of the same pearl at the bottom part of the candle holder right there where I'm showing you. I'm gonna go ahead and glue 2 rows of the same pearl there, just to, to keep the look cohesive, I should say. And also went and glue some pearl in at the very top of the bling wrap, just to kind of connect the flowers together, I should say, something like this. But anyway, so that's what we did. Now the fun part, what I did, and once I finished adding my pearls, I'm gonna go ahead and glue my Totally Dazzle little pin brooch or jewelry, whatever it is. Those who doesn't have like the little pin on the brooch part, I think they were just like a little jewelry part that you can glue or add, or if you're gonna create like jewelry, you can add brooches to it, you can do like a headband, you can do whatever to it. So guys, like, this is what it looks on the inside because of those little beautiful light blue stone. It gave it almost like a cracked glass looking. It's so pretty on the inside, so I went with a larger filigree and I glued that on the inside, so that way if you look on the inside, you have like a pretty filigree on the inside as well. So, and that also will cover the glue part that is showing on the inside. So that's one way to cover that. Now I'm gonna go ahead with this little pretty bow. I have to go back and get a few more for this. I have to find this one on the website because seriously, this one is one of my ultimate favorite of the Totally Dazzle products. It's so beautiful, guys. I love it. You can create like headband and anything with it. I love it. So I went and put this in the center of my candle holder, and then the little 2 flower one on each side, and then I had a small little flower that I didn't get from Totally Dazzle. I forgot to show this part. I put it on the back, the very back, so each side will have like something on it. So, and then to complete the look, all I did is take like a a row of the same diamond mesh wrap. I'm gonna go and add that at the very where the bowl and the candle holder connect. I'm gonna go ahead and glue it that way, so that way, you know, if there's any glue residue showing, it's not gonna be showing. And voila, that's it. This candle holder is like so unique and pretty. It's soft looking, it's very feminine. I love it. I think this one is actually my favorite out of the two. Just leave me a comment below, guys. Let me know which one is your favorite. I absolutely love them. So those are the three products that I did from Totally Dazzle, guys. So the frame, if you haven't watched the video before, I'm gonna go ahead and leave the video in the link below. I couldn't add this one in this video because the video will be too long, and the two candle holders. So I hope you love it. I absolutely love them. I also will leave the link for the Totally Dazzle in the description box below, guys. I'll leave any link that I can find in the description box below. I'll see you next week, guys. I have another video coming up, so I'll see you next week, and thank you so much again for watching my video, for commenting, for liking, and for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate that, guys. Thank you so very much, and I'm gonna go ahead and leave some picture for you at the end of the video as always, and I'll see you next week, guys. And don't forget, as always, be blessed and stay blessed. I love you. Mwah! See you soon.